After an entire week of rain and a weekend where there was absolutely nothing but storms, look what we're ending it with. Look at this beautiful sunset that's happening up there. Is that just uncanny beautiful? Look at all the pinks and purples and oranges that we've got just stretching across the sky. The universe just displaying all of its magic and beautiful colors. God, the artist in me just loves this display. Oh, and look over here. Just in case you need a little something extra. Look at that. Over there, we have the moon. There is a full moon coming up this week, but it is definitely out there displaying itself already for us. Oh, that is great. Great, great, great. A little fuzzy, but it's still there. But we'll come back over here. Let's just catch every bit of this that we can catch through all the trees. The pinks behind all the trees over there and there. And that right in front of us is just exquisite. I'm always so grateful for the beauty of the skies. Never the same. Different every night. And the universe has decided to end the weekend with a display from the sun. After all the storming and raining that happened. Feeling pretty blessed. Happy Sunday night from Freedom Acres.